Hello, my name is Amy Ramsey, and this is my instructional video project for EDUC 730. The video project is actually for a 10-year-old friend and neighbor of mine who has developed a great interest in becoming a chef. Personally, I think he watches too many cooking shows on TV. He has also taken an interest in my new gas barbecue, and he wants me to teach him how to use it. The timing being perfect for this assignment, I agreed to show him through an instructional video where I will personally explain and demonstrate how to properly and safely start a barbecue. Given he is also a bit of a computer geek, very positive, I have informed him that I will produce this video for him and he can refer to it as many times as he needs to until he feels confident in the procedure. If the project goes well, I'll look at doing an instructional video for my online class, as I do realize that being able to see something demonstrated can be much more informative than simply telling a person how something is done. Furthermore, the user can return to the video anytime they want to refresh their memory on instructions of what they learned earlier. So this presentation has a number of slides in it because we have to cover 9 steps in order to properly and safely turn on a barbecue. So there we go. Now we have our steak and it's time to start the barbecue. First and foremost, we need to find a safe place to locate the barbecue. Now, it doesn't need to be quite as extreme as this deck here, which has a beautiful view, but as long as the barbecue is located away from the house and from any other structures that could be flammable, you should be okay with it. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your barbecue tank or propane tank, as some people call it, and step 1 is to turn the valve on your barbecue, on your propane tank for the barbecue, 1/4 turn, and all that's going to do is start the gas flowing so that you'll have something to ignite in a future step here. Now the next thing you're going to do is open the lid to prevent a gas buildup, because if you keep the lid closed and the gas builds up when you hit the flame to it, you may end up with an explosion, and you don't want that. Step 3 is to locate your ignition burner knob, and on this barbecue here, it's on the far right side. The next thing you're going to do is turn your ignition burner on to the high mark. There may be a flame on it or something to indicate that the flame is becoming larger by the size of the arrow on the knob, or it may simply say high, as this one does. Step 5 then is to press the electronic ignition button, and it's the button at the top right. This gentleman here seems to be having a little problem with it, and hopefully my little friend will not. Step 6 is to have a look and ensure the flames have ignited. It usually takes 1 to 2 seconds for that to happen, so don't put your head into the grill to see if you can sniff the gas or see if the flame is actually going. In step 7, then you're going to turn all your burners on high to preheat your grill. In step 8, you're going to go back to your barbecue tank now, your propane tank, and you're going to turn the gas valve all the way open so that you have more gas flowing into the barbecue, and you'll need that to heat it. So your final step then is step 9, which is to close the lid and preheat your grill for 10 to 15 minutes, and then start grilling. And finally, always keep in mind that you want to be safe and enjoy your barbecue.